In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import custom sounds into Soundation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own audio files into a new project so you can start creating right away. Before we begin, make sure you have your audio file ready on your computer. Common formats like WAV and MP3 work well, and keeping files clearly named will make them easier to find during import. If you're aiming for the best quality, a WAV file at standard music sample rates is a solid choice, but MP3s are perfectly fine for most projects too. Start by opening your browser and heading to Soundation's website. Once you're there, launch the studio and you'll see the main workspace with the timeline, track headers on the left, and the browser panel for sounds and instruments. This is where your custom sound will live once you bring it in. Next, create a new project. Look for the Create Project option and open a fresh session. You'll land in a blank arrangement, which keeps things simple and uncluttered. Take a moment to confirm your audio settings at the top, like tempo and time signature, so the space is set up for the kind of track you're building. This prep makes it easier for your imported sound to sit nicely in the mix later. Now it's time to import. In the studio, find the Import button. It's usually in the browser or file area and clearly labeled. Click it and your operating system's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your custom sound is stored, select the file you want, and confirm to add it. If you've organized your samples into folders, this step goes much faster. Once you choose your file, Soundation will add it to your project. You'll see the audio appear either in the library or directly on a new audio track. If it lands in your library, simply drag it onto the timeline to place it exactly where you want it to play. From there, you can drag the clip to position it on the grid, trim the edges to remove any silence, and loop it by extending the region if you want it to repeat. If the timing feels off, zoom in and line it up with the beat markers so it snaps cleanly to your project's tempo. If an import doesn't work, double-check the file format and size and try again. Converting a file to WAV or MP3 usually resolves issues. And remember, always use audio you have the rights to. That's all there is to it. Open Soundation, create a project, import, and add your custom sound. Happy producing!